Okay, I am so excited because I finally figured out how to help those of you who still haven't been able to link your blog with my class. I'm going to use Karen's as an example. And so if you look over here on the left, when you're in your dashboard, you should have a place that says My Class. When you hover over My Class, you can click Join a Class. So you want to go ahead and do that. And then I think the problem here was that people were putting in jstuckey at edublogs.org. But if you put in just jstuckey and then hit the search button, you'll see AP Lit from room 121. And you don't want to visit at this point, you want to request to join. And then you'll see your request to join has been sent. I'll see that from my dashboard, and then I'll approve that join request, and then you will show up that your blog has been linked to my site, which is exactly what you want.